So guys, look at this setup. This is Eurocad, the setup that I dropped this week into the group. So if we carefully look at this setup, it has been doing quite a lot. This is our weekly time frame. This is our weekly time frame. So let me show you guys what has been happening right here. So you can see this high here, which has now turned into a lower high. This initial high here, it was cleared out. Mind you, this is our weekly time frame, so this was cleared out. That high was cleared out with this one right here. Just this one right here. You can see now the weekly time frame. This high was cleared with this one that I've marked here as well, the second one. So this actually means in figures, this actually means trillions of dollars were cleared out. So the market didn't stop there. It further went on to clear this second high with this one. Okay, let's quickly do this. Okay, the market went on to clear this previous high, now turned lower high, now turned previous lower high with this one that I just recently marked. Also shows you that trillions of dollars were taken out. Liquidity amounting to trillions of dollars was taken out. The market didn't stop there. The market further cleared that one that was recently marked with this right here. So it further went on to clear the liquidity that was existing there with that one that I recently marked. Also trillions of dollars were taken out, manipulated. So furtherly we had this one right here, and all this is happening in our weekly time frame. We had this here, more like a double top, which was finally cleared with what we see, that strong bullish candlestick right there. So this also means trillions of dollars were also manipulated, went into vain for the most of the participants in this market. So let us scale down this setup into our daily time frame and see what happened. Let us see what happened. So okay, in our daily you can see, look at this. Let's zoom it out. We had this as the initial high. These are daily now. This was our initial high. Billions of dollars, of course, also taken out right there. Billions of dollars, billions of contracts manipulated right there. Then if you look at our and then we have this second one here. It also shows billions of dollars manipulated. And finally, if you look at this layer right here, we had already drawn this spot right there with the cycle. Just quickly do this. Now if you look at this spot right there, now it was more like a triple top. First, second, third, right there, the cycle. A lot of contracts were also manipulated right there. A lot, billions of contracts were manipulated. We looked at our weekly time frame and how this market had manipulated trillions of contracts. Now we are looking at our daily time frame, and we're also looking at the same thing. We are looking at how billions of dollars were now manipulated as well into these movements of our daily time frame. So as you can see, I'm already into this trade. I already entered this trade, and then after hitting this zone here, it had to push. The market had to go back up to retest. Now this is what I wanted to share with you guys. As you can see, my entry was right there. My entry was right there. Let's put a cycle there. Yeah, my entry was just right there. But if you look so close, you'll see that after my entry, the market pushed down significantly. Let me take it to the 4-hour time frame. The market pushed down significantly this way. The market pushed down significantly from there until here. Quickly do this. The market pushed down significantly like this until that point. Now I'm at a critical point whereby the market now gets to test me, push back up to test me if I'm really if I really have a conviction in this setup of mine that I had found. It really pushed back up here, almost bringing the profits that I initially made to a nil. Now I wanted to make emphasis right here at this push back up, the part where the market had to test me. So this is the part where we lose most of traders. Majority of traders are lost right here, just at this push. Majority of the traders are lost here. Why? Because as soon as they see that the market is significantly pushing back up to test them, in case of a sale, of course. See, the market is pushing back up. Now, what do the traders do? They tighten their stop losses due to fear. They're scared of losing their initial capital they had risked, forgetting and not relying on their initial analysis. It's more like second guessing that no, whatever we had analyzed here or whatever they have analyzed here could be wrong and all of that. Yes, chances are you could go wrong, but at a point like this one whereby the market just goes up to test you and you are sure of your setup 100% that no matter what it is supposed to go down. You will know the movement by yourself that no matter what, the market is supposed to go down like this. You are not supposed to exit, guys. You are not supposed to take any break even. In this case, just risk your capital. Just make sure you deposit an amount that you know you can afford to lose. One thing that you should never take is self-sabotaging your own setup. Self-sabotaging your own setup. What does self-sabotaging your own setup mean? It means after you had analyzed your market, you've probably gotten the direction right and everything is set. Now you reach a point whereby after making your entries, you reach a point whereby you are now scared. You are not scared of the market pushing back up, and then you end up putting your stop losses very closer, trying to break even and everything because of fear. You are scared of losing that amount of money that you had put into your account, the amount of money that you had risked. So don't allow yourself or don't put yourself into those kinds of situations when you're trading. Don't allow fear to invade your mind. How do you do that? You simply put an amount into your trading account that you can afford to lose. See, this is an amount that is very affordable for me to lose, even if it goes in the direction otherwise than I had anticipated. It will not affect my lifestyle in any way. You see, I'll still be me. I'll still be able to do things outside of this bad day or bad trade that I encounter. So don't allow fear invade your mind when it comes to this, because now if for example, if I had allowed fear to invade my mind, I could have break even, closed this setup, and maybe taken profits too quickly and all of that, and not reaching the target, which is here that I anticipate. The market was hit here. I must collect each and every dollar until here. Anything less, I'm not here to entertain that. I'm not here to entertain that. And I know if I lose, it's not so much. I still don't lose so much of my capital. It's more like using my capital as the stop loss. I don't even really need to use the stop loss because the stop loss is my account size. I had already predefined the amount I'm willing to lose in my account size. That is where my stop loss is, my account size. Once you believe in your setups in this way, guys, millions are coming to you. Believe it or not, millions are coming to you. So yeah, the market had to push up just to instigate fear in my mind. So I quickly ran out of this trade and said, it might go sideways, or it might go, different and all of that, just so I can be scared and maybe take profits quickly and everything. I'm not doing that. I'm not here to take small profit. I'm here to take it all. I'm here to collect each and every pip in this movement, each and every pip in this formation. And if it doesn't go my way, yes, I'm willing to give the market that small amount as well. The market must enjoy that small amount. But if it goes in my direction, then I collect everything the market has to offer. So this is how you're supposed to do it, guys. Bye for now. Let's meet after TP or after the stop loss. Goodbye.